In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve expenses in Expensify. Whether you're a business owner, manager, or just responsible for overseeing financial transactions, understanding how to efficiently approve expenses is crucial to maintaining smooth financial operations. So let's dive in and explore how you can easily navigate through this process. To get started, open your inbox within the Expensify app or your web browser. This is your first step toward managing the reports that require your attention. Your inbox acts as a central hub where all pending reports are organized and presented for your review. It's your digital workspace for overseeing the expenses that need your approval. By heading straight to the inbox, you ensure you're always on top of your review tasks and don't miss any urgent expenses waiting for attention. Once you're in the inbox, it's time to dive deeper by reviewing the report. Click on the pending report that demands your evaluation. As you open the report, take a closer look at each expense item listed within it. Attention to detail is key here. Ensure that everything aligns with your organization's expense policies. Check for accuracy in amounts, ensure that receipts are attached and legible, and verify that each expense logically aligns with business needs. This thorough review process helps prevent any errors or fraudulent claims from slipping through, thus safeguarding your company's finances. After carefully assessing all details in the report, if everything appears to be in order, you can proceed to the final step, approving the expenses. All you need to do is tap or click the Approve button. This straightforward action confirms your approval of the report, allowing it to move to the next stage in your organization's financial process. By approving the report, you acknowledge that the incurred expenses meet the necessary criteria and are ready for further processing or reimbursement. As a tip, always keep communication open with your team regarding expense submissions. Encourage them to provide clear documentation and rationale for their expenses to streamline your approval process. This not only enhances efficiency, but also helps in maintaining a transparent financial environment within your organization. And that's it. Approving expenses in Expensify is a straightforward task once you get the hang of navigating through your inbox, thoroughly reviewing reports, and hitting approve when everything checks out. These practices not only facilitate smooth financial operations, but also contribute to maintaining transparency and accountability in your expense management system. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you master the expense approval process in Expensify. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides.